A final video to fix Steam achievements not unlocking. And if your rewards are not showing, listen carefully. Are you facing the problem where you complete tasks in Steam games, but achievements do not unlock? This usually happens because your Steam client is not syncing properly, cloud save get blocked, or game files are corrupted. Sometimes small glitches or hidden settings stop achievements from registering. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long commands, confusing tweaks, or risky steps that take forever and often fail. On Troubleshoot, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that makes Steam achievements unlock correctly without stress. This trick refreshes Steam Cloud Sync, verifies game files, and ensures your client communicates with the servers properly. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. I tested this method multiple times, and it works smoothly every time. This solution saves time and gets your achievements showing fast. Watch fully so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Troubleshoot always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix your Steam achievements the smart way.